Welcome to How to Play Six Men's Morris. To play, you will need 2 players and a Morris game set. Thanks to JP Games for providing the game set used in this video. Set the board between the players. In Six Men's Morris, only the inner 2 squares of the board are used. The outer square is ignored. Each player receives 6 pieces of a different color. The object of the game is to remove your opponent's pieces from the board. A player does this by forming a mill. A mill is created when a player gets 3 of their pieces in a connected horizontal or vertical line. Whenever a player forms a mill, they immediately remove 1 of their opponent's pieces from the board. The game begins with the placement phase. Starting with the first player, players take turns placing 1 of their pieces onto any open intersection on the board. Wade begins by placing a piece. Play moves to Jess, who places a piece. Play continues back and forth until all pieces have been placed. Once all pieces are on the board, the movement phase begins. Starting with the first player, players take turns moving 1 of their pieces along a connected line to an adjacent open intersection. Wade moves first. Play moves to Jess. Players continue taking turns with the goal of forming mills and removing their opponent's pieces. Skipping ahead, Jess is able to make a mill and removes 1 of Wade's pieces. Wade then continues the game by making a move. When a player has lost 4 of their pieces and are left with only 2 on the board, they lose the game. Wade wins this game. The game can also be lost by a player if they are not able to make a valid move in the game. A player is not allowed to remove an opponent's piece from the board if it is part of a mill unless an opponent's pieces are all in mills. When a player gets down to 3 pieces left, their next move can fly to an open space. This one move doesn't have to be to an adjacent space. Thanks again to JP Games for providing the game set used in this video. Check them out through the link in this video's description. If you enjoyed learning how to play Six Men's Morris and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.